Get a new client, or we keep working for free. Get 60 leads for a fixed cost, and if you don't close a client, we continue generating leads at no cost until you do. Many sales professionals spend thousands on leads without knowing what results they will achieve. We take a different approach by capping our customer acquisition cost, ensuring customers can acquire at least one new client for the amount they are willing to invest. The only requirement is that customers actively engage with and follow up on the leads we provide. This way, customers gain predictable, results-focused lead generation while maintaining control over their marketing spend. The problem: most sales professionals find themselves in one of two situations. They either spend money on leads that fail to convert, or they rely on referrals that arrive inconsistently. In both cases, the outcome is the same: unpredictable income, wasted marketing dollars, and no reliable system for steady, scalable growth. The solution: our client acquisition system handles every step of generating new business for customers. We build and manage the entire pipeline, from running targeted ads that attract the right prospects, to creating high-converting funnels that capture their information, to setting up automated follow-up that keeps them engaged, ultimately generating booked appointments. This allows customers to focus on what they do best, closing clients, while we handle bringing qualified sales opportunities to their calendar. The offer: we provide leads in batches of 60. Since most leads do not close immediately, additional time is allowed for conversion. If a customer does not generate any qualified leads from the initial 60, we supply additional leads at no extra cost. However, a new batch of 60 leads will only be issued for purchase once payment has been received for the initial batch. Our 100% guarantee: if a customer does not close at least one lead from the initial 60 within a 12-month term, no payment is required for those leads. This ensures that customers only pay when our lead generation produces a measurable result, while giving a full year to convert sales opportunities into closed business. Pricing: our client pricing model is based on a targeted client acquisition cost, or CAC, allowing customers to plan their marketing spend with clear expectations. Each customer's CAC is determined by their industry, as acquisition costs vary depending on market and type of lead. Once a target CAC is agreed upon, we divide that amount by 60 to establish a fixed cost per lead. This model is based on projected acquisition economics, not guaranteed outcomes. Leads are generated and delivered up front, and pricing is not contingent on whether those leads convert into paying clients. This is not a referral or success-based fee structure. No upfront payment is required for the initial 60 leads. Payment is only due once a client closes from those leads, aligning our incentives with performance. This approach allows customers to invest in lead generation with confidence, knowing payment is tied directly to results while still operating within a defined acquisition cost. How we calculate CAC. Typically, we set the client acquisition cost at 35% of the gross revenue generated from a closed client. This ensures customers know exactly what they are investing to acquire a client, making marketing spend predictable and transparent. As a marketing company, we assume the upfront risk by generating leads without requiring payment until a lead has successfully closed. In regulated industries, leads are sold at a fixed per-lead price, and we do not earn a commission from any closed client. Payment for the initial batch of 60 leads is only required once the customer has successfully generated profit from those leads. What counts as a lead? A lead is defined as a contact who provides their name along with at least one form of contact information, either a phone number or an email address. At the customer's request, we can also include cold contacts as part of the 60 lead batch. These contacts are potential clients, though they may not have previously expressed interest in the customer service. Batches of 60 leads. Leads are delivered steadily over a 12-month period, allowing sufficient time to qualify each lead and integrate them into a structured, permission-based follow-up process. By pacing delivery, customers can focus on high-quality engagement, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Why this works? Speed-to-lead systems dramatically increase response rates by connecting with prospects while their interest is highest. Multi-touch follow-up ensures consistent engagement across multiple channels. Combined with a proven funnel structure that filters for higher intent prospects, this approach generates more qualified sales opportunities and better outcomes. Requirements. To qualify for this program, customers must be actively closing clients and able to consistently follow up on new sales opportunities, as this is critical to converting leads. Additionally, customers must use the software account we provide, which ensures all leads are tracked, managed, and nurtured properly within a proven system designed to maximize results. Target market. Our ideal customers are revenue-generating businesses and sales professionals ready to scale. They understand the value of leads and appointments, act quickly on sales opportunities, and want a predictable pipeline that drives measurable growth. Traffic and ad campaigns. We generate a consistent flow of clients directly into the customer's funnel via targeted social media campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, combined with strategic retargeting to re-engage interested prospects. Every lead is captured, tracked, and nurtured efficiently to ensure no opportunity is missed. Follow-up superiority. Customers agree to contact all leads promptly, with initial outreach within 24 to 48 hours. Automated follow-up includes email nurture campaigns spanning 30 to 90 days. By engaging every lead multiple times across channels, we maximize conversion and maintain a consistently active pipeline. Real-time reporting. Our system provides full visibility into marketing performance, tracking metrics such as cost per client, appointments booked, response rates, conversion rates, and overall close rates. This allows customers to make informed, data-driven decisions to optimize campaigns and accelerate growth. Why? Our done-for-you client acquisition works. Customers focus entirely on closing sales opportunities while we generate leads. Our system delivers a predictable, consistent flow of prospects, with fast follow-up and automated nurture campaigns to maximize ROI. Transparent reporting ensures customers always know exactly what they're getting. Ready to get your next client without the risk? Go to humanbrainbox.com/CAC now to learn how you can start generating predictable leads and only pay when you close.